You guys, there is a new movie coming out today, and Halloween is not canceled. It's on HBO Max. Have you heard of The Witches? It is such a good movie that is coming out, and I received this box of goodies from Warner Brothers to celebrate the release of the movie. A note about witches. Witches are real, and they're here. If you guys have not heard, it is an amazing cast. Anne Hathaway, Chris Rock is in it, Octavia Spencer, and we are going to see what they gave us. So here are some munchies that we can enjoy. Oh yeah, cookies and cream, coconut, yum. Some cute outfit, little Halloween costume ideas. Mickey Mouse, that is so cute. I love that. A craft activity kit that we can do to celebrate the release of Witches, along with a snack box of popcorn. Yummy. And this is a cute little surprise. And if you guys don't know what Splat is, they have some amazing colors for your hair. Oh yeah, we are doing some of this for Halloween for sure. My daughter and I are gonna love this. Hair chalk, oh yeah, I love this color. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. That's gonna look amazing. Oh my goodness. Who's excited for Halloween? I know I am, and I'm excited for this movie too. It is out today, you guys, on HBO Max. Ooh, Google Chromecast for us to hook up and watch our HBO Max. You guys can see you can connect right there with your Google Chromecast, and that is going to be so much fun to do. And ooh, the book, and like I said, this is the poster for the movie, and it looks amazing. If you guys haven't watched the trailer, it's all about little mice. So that's why we probably have my little mouse in here. But we are excited, and we are going to enjoy using all this stuff. Thank you, Warner Brothers. And you guys go check out The Witches on HBO Max right now.